Hi everyone, Molly the mixologist here. This time I'm going to be making a fantastic cocktail that is great for both spring, summer, fall, and winter called a Bijou. It is both refreshing and savory at the same time because it has green herbal like verdant liqueur. In this case I'm using Vert, but it also has sweet vermouth and gin and it's stirred. So it's really kind of a perfect balance between savory and refreshing. All seasons. All the time, and that's why I love it. So we're gonna start, in this case, since we're not using any kind of cheap ingredients, since there's no citrus or anything, we can start with whatever we want. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with our base, which is gin. I'm using Ecklandville today because I think it has a really great herbaceous and savory quality that really matches the cocktail. So we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of this. And then we're going to do 1 ounce of Grassotti. Vermouth di Torino, which is a really nice kind of rich layered sweet vermouth. This is a great sweet vermouth for your Manhattans, if you like to make a Ward 8 or anything like that. Very, very versatile, light, but still has a lot of body. And then Vert is the green herbal liqueur that I'm using in this case. You can certainly use green chartreuse, but this is a little bit more pocket friendly, and that is why I tend to reach for it. Still has all of those nuances and bright, vibrant herbaceousness. And then we're going to do a couple dashes of orange bitters. There we go. And that's it for our recipe. Now, as we mentioned in our stirring video, we want to add ice all the way up. You'll see I'm using a mix of ice. Totally fine. It's just having those nice big cubes will, like I said, kind of keep the drink nicely diluted while getting the right chill factor. So as we learned in our stirring video, you want it to be nice and quiet because we're trying not to bruise the spirit. And we're gonna keep going until we see a little nice cold pattern develop on the glass and we feel that it's cold to the touch. So needs a little bit more time. I would say the standard is like 45 seconds or so, maybe a minute, which, how much was it time doing that? Okay, excellent. And we'll go ahead and strain into our glass. I'm using a coupe in this case, but you can use a Nick and Nora. It'll just be a little fuller. I like to reserve Nick and Noras for cocktails that are under 3 ounces, just so that you're not having to like take a sip before you move it. And then we'll do our lemon peel. And of course, pop it onto the surface of the drink, give the rim a nice little wipe, and I like to balance it on the edge so that you can smell it as you sip it. Cheers.